Okay, I'm recording right now, and right here is my Hunter Chesapeake. And this has been a background fan many years. Now I'm going to actually do a video dedicated to it. Changing the speeds, mind you, like I do all my other fans that you've seen here, save for the Mosh WF and Casablanca Delta 2. I got this fan a year ago, a little over a year ago, from a collector, and it's hung here for about a year, I'd say. And first I'll show you the Hunter logo right here on the sideband. I don't know how well you can see it, but there it is right there. It's flush mounted. It's got a few little blemishes on it, but it's still a great fan. I mean, I'm glad I got it because I don't find too many fans like this very often, and it's a childhood fan of mine. From the these were not as common as the Hunter Infiniti series, but it came standard with the integrated light kit. See right there, the globes are something I added. Globes and the bulbs, but see right there. There's the badge, nice seashell badge. There's a blade. It's not the high gloss. It's the more not so glossy finish. Those globes look like they might have come off a Hunter Brighton, I think. Picked them up at a yard sale and decided to put them on this one because I thought it looked cool. And let's shed a little light in the situation. Yep. All three CFL bulbs work. They illuminate the fan quite well. And power them off. Yeah, I know the blades need some balancing, so that's why the balancing kit's there. So I might be taking this down pretty shortly and put up another fan. But I've had all Hunters here, and it was better than the one that was before it. That Hunter. Oh, I can't think of the name. It's the. It's not the Monticello. It's. Oh gosh. It's not the Potomac. It's something. Lansdowne. That's what it was. Lansdowne. Okay. I had a different light on it. I kind of customized it. It was kind of rare, and I had to part it out. I still have the Hunter Villa. That was like the better one out of the two. So, but anyway, without further ado, let's rev this one up. Start out on low. Medium. Starting to gain some momentum. It's got a nice shadow back there, which is really cool. And now let's try it on high, shall we? Yeah, with that clip on it, doesn't slide as much, doesn't shake as much. Excuse me. Let's see it crank out. Wow. It's a good air mover. I think we'll power it down. It's got a good spin down time too. Yeah, if you notice, I put white pull chains on it. Make them consistent. Okay, fan has stopped, and this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.